Hello guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Roblox not responding. For that, open search bar and type command prompt. Now run it as an administrator. OK. Now type here at config/flushtons. Then it config/renew. Lastly, netwinsic reset. Now just restart your PC. But it's not over. Once you restart it, navigate to the network logo, right-click it. Then press Open Network and Sharing Center. Then press to your Wi-Fi. Properties. Scroll down and find the Network Protocol version 4. Go to the Properties and press Use the following DNS. In first section type 8.8.8.8. In second section type 8.8.4.4. Restart your PC and it will be solved.